Good morning, influencers. It is, Wednesday morning, and wanted to share with you one of the latest things that we are providing to all the members of the Secondary Transformation Leadership Influencer Series. In previous years, we have asked influencers to bring artifacts to the different sessions. Some members have brought examples of new schedules reflecting RTI, documents from meetings where they talked about standards-based grading. Teachers have brought examples of things they're doing as far as student engagement. And that has worked well, but has been cumbersome to organize that content and, more importantly, share it with everybody else. So we are taking it one step further, and we are providing to the members of the Influencer Series an online file repository where they can upload their own files and, more importantly, share them with others and view other schools' artifacts that they're doing at their site. So let me show you how it works. You'll want to go to the Region4Influencers website. Let's see, a little early this morning, having a hard time spelling. There we go. And once you're here, you will notice that we've added a couple new things. We have the daily schedule norms, channel for YouTube, but right here you want to go to Influencer Submitted Artifacts. And you will now see a listing of every district or county office depending on the group. They're in alphabetical order. And real quick, if you want to subscribe to changes, you want to be notified any time there's a change made to the global unit, you can go ahead and there is a global RSS feed. You can also, right here, search for files. So, if we're at session 2 and a district, let's say, talked about a new tracking sheet that they have, an administrator created for tracking student engagement strategies during lessons, but you can't remember what district, you can go ahead and search and, try to find that document. So let's use Antioch Unified. That was my previous district. So we'll click on Antioch Unified. And we will go right here and we're going to click submit. Also, you'll notice the RSS feed. Again, if you just want to be notified of changes to Antioch Unified, you can go ahead and subscribe to their folder and be notified when Antioch uploads something. So we're going to go ahead and click submit. And we're given a couple of choices. The first one is if you have a lot of files that you would like to upload opposed to doing one by one, right here it says add a number of files. If you click that link, you'll have to excuse me, I'm using my cell phone as a modem. I'm in a hotel at a conference, so that wasn't an error with the website, just a timeout on my cell phone. So click add a number of files. And you can go right here. You're going to select the date. You'll select a suggested location. So we wanted Antioch. The license. Now, I'm sure you've downloaded software and it gives you this long license information that you usually have to click agree or not agree. And if you want to download it, you have to click agree. I don't know about you, but I've never actually read one of those licenses all the way through. You don't need to put something that lengthy here, but let's say you have an example of student work that you would like to share with the group, but you don't want it to go public. You can go ahead and write that information here or give a little bit description of maybe how you use this document. But the license here would be a place that you would like to give instructions on how this document that you're sharing should be used or how it should be shared or not shared, and would hope that everybody would respect what is put in the license box. So I'm going to put this is only a sample upload. Right here, do they have to agree to the license? And we're going to say yep. File author, I'll put myself. And you can pick an icon. I'm going to use the Adobe PDF icon because everything I'm going to upload is a PDF. And you'll notice there's a long list. So you can just go file by file by file by file and upload multiple files. I'm not going to use this because I want to go to the other area where we're just going to upload one file at a time so I can show you the difference between the two. So I'm going to go back. Okay, so if you're just doing one file at a time, you're given some more options. You can either choose a file from your computer. So if you click choose file, it will open up your normal file browser. Or let's say the document is hosted at a Google Docs site, or it's hosted on a district server, or it's on some other website that you would like to share. You can go ahead and put the full URL here and it will add it to the file repository. If you have a thumbnail, again, it's optional. What a thumbnail is as opposed to using if you're uploading a video, because you can do that, or an audio file, you can have a little picture to go along with the file, but you don't have to do that. And suggest location, because I originally had selected the Antioch Unified folder, when I click this, that I won't have any choice. So if you don't want to upload to Antioch Unified, you would go back and select a different district or county office. Give the file a title, a short description. Now, the more information you put here in description, license, and title, the better the search results will work, because the search results are going to go through your description, your license, a full-length description, and file author. That's what the search tool uses. So if you leave that blank, it's going to be pretty hard for the system to search for the documents that you share. The system doesn't actually go through the documents and search text in the documents. So that's one important thing. So please try to fill out useful information here, or keywords that somebody might use if they wanted to search for the file that you're going to upload. And then you will go ahead and select an icon, and then you'll click submit. So let's go ahead and submit something. Let's go here. I'm going to submit my weekly schedule. I think Antioch would love to have that. And file title. Yep, I'm going to make them agree to the license, the file author. And this document, I don't think a long description is necessary. I think the short description is sufficient, but you can go ahead and add a full description. You'll notice a lot of the same icons as Microsoft Word, so this should be very familiar with you. Or if you already have a description typed up in Word, if you click this icon right here, paste from Word, it will take whatever's in Word that you've copied and paste it right in here with the Word formatting, so that's pretty nice. And again, it was a PDF, so I'm going to use that PDF icon, and I'm going to click submit. Alright, all done. Please note all uploads will be reviewed prior to publishing. What that means is that basically I need to approve all your uploads, which I will approve them. This is just a way to make sure that people aren't posting spam or whatnot and polluting the waters of the Region 4 Influencer system. So that's that. If there's any questions, please give me an email. It's again WCROSKEY @acoe.org. Thank you for watching.